I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting parts and making the first connections. Use a Teensy or Arduino with a compatible Electret or MEMS mic. Power the board from a stable 3V or 5V source. Once powered, wire the microphone output to the ADC or I2S pins and connect the SD card module to SPI lines, MOSI, MISO, SCK, CS, and Common Ground. Make sure the push button is wired for record control. Finally, install the Arduino IDE and the required audio and SD libraries so you can upload your first sketch. Now you implement the core firmware that reads audio, buffers it, and writes to SD. Configure your sample rate 8kHz44, 1kHz, and choose a buffer size that balances latency versus memory. Then write audio chunks to the SD card in a loop to prevent overflow. Once done, add a debounced push-button handler for start/stop, an LED state indicator, and robust file naming using timestamps. Make sure to monitor input levels on the serial console and adjust gain or add a hardware preamp to avoid clipping. Finish by formatting the SD card as FAT32, uploading the final sketch, and performing a full record and playback test. Verify WAV header creation so files are playable in any standard player, and add a low-power sleep mode if using batteries. If writing fails, check the SD card's CS pin wiring, ensure the card is properly formatted, and confirm logic levels are 3V, also lower SPI speed. If audio is noisy, verify grounding and try shielding or a small preamp. Log errors to serial for faster debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.